kind of talk about, loved ones or friends. And if, I don't know, you notice one of your friends is down or someone in the family, any advice you can offer about maybe making our positive attitude contagious for the other person, or do we just kind of have to know when to back off? Like, what would you say is kind of the careful balance that we have to strike there when we think it's time to boost somebody else's attitude a little bit?
I think careful balance is probably the best way to mention, the approach. Certainly anybody who's going through a hard time, it is a hard time, so I think being as empathic as possible. I think patience is the key there. And so as a friend or a loved one, just being patient until the person's ready to take help, but just showing your support, letting them know that you're there and that you're there for when they're ready, I think that can go a really long way.
All right, good to know. And any other tips, whether it's we as individuals or our loved ones looking on us, just any other tips you can offer to try to increase our positive thinking and make us focus more on what's good, than what's bad, the half glass versus half empty. Again, doctor, any other tips you might have?
Yeah, I sometimes like to discuss with patients to focus more on the haves and not the have-nots.
Great.
And so to think about what options are there instead of what limitations are there, and just keeping that in perspective, because having that choice feels better.